Creating a photo album on Facebook helps you organize your memories easily. Follow this step to set up an album. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create an album on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, you launch the Facebook app on your device. Then tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile page. Scroll down and tap on the photos. Then select the albums. Tap on the Create Album and enter a title for your album. You may also select your privacy option to determine who can view the album. And click on the Create option. Then select the Add Photos and choose an image from your device gallery. You can also take a new photos directly from this section by tapping on the camera icon. Once you have selected your photo, click on the Next option. Once all details are set, tap Post to publish your album. With these simple steps, you can organize and share your favorite moments on Facebook. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.